Building AI applications often involves integrating various components like language models, data sources, and APIs. But managing the code and infrastructure for these integrations can be complex. Langflow is a tool designed to address this complexity. It provides a visual, low-code environment for developing AI agents and workflows. It uses a graphical interface where users can build applications. Development in Langflow involves dragging and dropping components onto a canvas and connecting them. These components represent elements such as chat inputs, language models like OpenAI and Anthropic, prompts, vector stores like Chroma, Pinecone, or data loaders. The connections define the flow of data and execution logic between these components. This visual approach allows for experimenting with different configurations. For instance, a user can swap out one language model component for another, or change the vector database used in a Retrieval-Augmented generation or RAG pipeline by replacing the corresponding component in the flow diagram. While Langflow emphasizes a low-code visual interface, it also allows for Python integration. Users can create custom components using Python code or modify existing ones to allow embedding custom logic directly within the visual workflow. Langflow can be used to construct various types of applications, from simple chains to more complex systems involving agents that utilize multiple components as tools. For example, one could visually configure a RAG pipeline connecting data sources, embedding models, and a language model. For deployment, Langflow allows exporting a created flow as an API endpoint. It provides options to generate code snippets for interacting with this API using methods like curl requests, Python scripts, or JavaScript. Langflow can be run locally after installation. A cloud-hosted option is also available for deploying and managing flows. The platform includes pre-built components for integration with various third-party services and tools, including different language models, vector databases, data handling utilities, and frameworks like LangChain and CrewAI. Users can also build their own custom component integrations. So in summary, Langflow provides a visual interface for assembling, configuring, and deploying AI applications by connecting modular components. It supports customization through Python and offers options for exporting flows as APIs for integration into other systems. Further information, documentation, and examples can be found on the project's website, langflow.org, and its associated GitHub repository. That's it for now. For more such amazing videos, don't forget to subscribe to /.